I'm Exact Weather Meteorologist Jay Galley, and thanks for logging on to your afternoon video cast. Let's take a look outside. This is our dome camera, of course. We know that because we can see the dome. Now, outside, we've got cloudy skies at the moment. We are getting a couple of sunny breaks, which you think that might be good, but it'll be bad because that has a tendency to do what we call destabilize the atmosphere. Take-home message. That'll help get us a few more thunderstorms as that front pushes through. Let me show you what's happening as far as our advisory map goes. You see it right here. Tornado watch in effect until 3 p.m. on Thursday. So this includes the entire viewing area, North Shore, South Shore, and the Mississippi Gulf Coast, including Pearl River County. That's the kind of weather we're expecting. Please monitor the weather because we could see an isolated tornado pop up from time to time, strong damaging straight line winds. But here's our front, and it is making its advance toward us. A few isolated showers out ahead of it. So rain, showers, and storms will be on tap through this evening. Possible severe weather threat. Again, the main threats are going to be hail and those strong damaging straight line winds along with that isolated tornado. But by tomorrow, we're going to be sunny and mild. And actually, overnight tonight, we're going to clear out nicely. But as you can see, this front extends all the way up to the Midwest region. There's our surface fronts here, and here's our area of low pressure. This is going to keep on pushing through. As this front passes, we are going to start working in a cooler, drier flow. Take a look at our temperature contours here. The blue, of course, indicates cold, and the yellow colors and the orange colors indicates warmer air. There's our front. This is what's going to be sliding through. So while we've been running slightly above the average, after this front passes, we're going to be a little cool overnight tonight. Let's check out the timing on the front. Here it is right around lunchtime, and you can see where that front is situated with the heaviest rainfall going to be on the North Shore and along the Mississippi Gulf Coast. I think that's going to be the areas where we're going to find the greatest likelihood of seeing some severe weather, although the entire area will be under that slight risk. And you can see the rain extends all the way from, say, downtown New Orleans into the Gulf of Mexico, just off the coast near Port Fourchon. And then by 6 o'clock, the front's beyond us. If you're heading out to French Quarter Fest, maybe going to try to take in some of those evening shows. Cloudy skies, rain will be clearing out. The clouds will be clearing out by 1 o'clock overnight tonight through tomorrow morning. High pressure sets up by tomorrow morning, right around your morning commute. Sunny and mild. Actually, it's going to be kind of sunny and cool, but it'll be sunny and mild by tomorrow afternoon, setting up for a pretty nice weekend. Now, I mentioned the threat of some severe weather. Like I said, it includes the entire viewing area. The main threats, damaging wind and that hail. Damaging wind, we're talking about winds of about 60 miles per hour. Dangerous lightning, that can't be ruled out. Hail, about 1 inch or greater. Some heavy rainfall from time to time as well. And that isolated tornado and possibly a water spout if you live along the coast, if you get one of those strong storms developing there. As far as the French Quarter Fest goes, we're shaping up pretty good. Have a look. Mid-70s tomorrow, nice and mild, little bit of a breeze, lots of sunshine, a little more cloud cover on Saturday, mostly sunny, still mild, upper 70s, and then a little warm Sunday, lower 80s, partly cloudy, and unfortunately we're going to have to throw in about a 30% chance of rain for a Sunday afternoon as we get a little disturbance pushing through, and we could develop a few showers and storms then. Today, though, lots of showers and storms. Again, severe weather is possible, going to be breezy. And then overnight tonight, as that front passes, cold air is going to be filtering in. 40s on the North Shore, 50s on the South Shore. Here's your 7-day ExactCast. So the weekend, for the most part, going to be good. It's the latter part of the weekend where we're going to have to deal with the possibility of more rain. That will linger into Monday. And I'm going to leave the rain out for Tuesday and Wednesday as it stands. We could see a couple of pop-up showers in that time frame as we warm up to the mid-80s by next Wednesday. I'm Exact Weather Meteorologist Jay Galley, and thanks for logging on.